Akwa Ibom State world-class 21st century recreational and tourist facility. The construction is handled by Bulletin Construction Company. The tourist facility comes with a hybrid lake, swimming pool facility, floating bars, children's park, waterfalls, security, green areas and sit-out hubs, police posts, cafes, mini shopping complex, restaurants, sports arena, car parking lots, road networks and administrative blocks. Akwa Ibom State Governor Pastor Umuahia has made public his administration's intention to convert ongoing gully erosion areas undergoing reclamation to tourist attraction sites. He made the intention public during his inspection of the project at Umuahia and Udoinwan Street in Ewet Offort Community, Uyo. He expressed satisfaction with the pace and quality of work so far. Governor Eno took a walk through the Udoinwan Street end across the ravine to Dominic Utu Avenue, where he expressed delight at the project execution and acknowledged the relief the project has brought to the people of the area. He expressed optimism that the project, which includes the reclamation of the gully erosion ravaged Umuahia and Udoinwan Street and conversion of the ravine lying between Uyo and a wet village of Oforukwaglan to a recreational park, will be completed by the end of the year. The Akwa Ibom governor said he decided to personally inspect the progress of work as it is his approach to work before approving more funds for the project. In his words, "We thank God that we are able to work up to this point here. I remember we couldn't during our first visit. I thank the contractor who is a man of his word. He said he was going to reclaim this area. You know, the houses here were already going and the erosion was approaching the government house. I personally felt the pain of the people living here and the amount of money we had to sink into this place to reclaim this place, but it was something we had to attack." The governor assured that upon completion, the project will convert the Daring Ravine to a recreational facility that will pass for a tourist delight, for which purpose he said he was prevailing on the contractor to ensure completion latest December.
Quick response. Calls were made and he responded. He called us, gave us a marching order, and we're doing the best we can. I will not let the governor down, will not let the state down, will not let the community down.
We will reclaim the place and channel the water properly. It will become a lake and we will have a very good tourist site here. So that's what we are doing, he explained. The Commissioner for Works and Fire Service, Professor Enoibanga, said the project was one of the first set of the people-oriented interventions Governor Umuahia chose to undertake upon assumption of office, adding that the project upon completion will save the people from the menace of gully erosion, reclaim and reintegrate the collapsed portion of Uyo metropolis.
We asked the contractor, what do we do about it? And then he gave us a design. That was the third phase. Phase one was reclaiming the gully reclamation of the two sites. And the third phase is the conception and building of the arisepark. And that is the final phase of this job. Well, by the time that is finished, the whole of this area will now be a tourist attraction center. This will be car park. What we are doing, every tourist, and even at the last inspection, His Excellency has approved that we scope all the roads around so that we can overlay them and make it so that when tourists, just what we are looking at the Brook Street, this end, all the roads around here will be paved, properly tarred, and then you lead people to have a proper view and sit at. We have 2 police stations, we have the lake, we have football field, we have courts, tennis courts, basketball, so that when you come here, it's an all-encompassing recreational center for all Nigerians that Akwa Ibom will become a tourist destination for all. So that's in a nutshell what we are looking at this Gully, what was an abandoned area, becoming attraction for the state.
On his part, Chief Faisal Hab, the managing director of Bulletin Construction Company Limited, the firm handling the project, assured on the quality and timely delivery of the project. He pledged the commitment of his company to a 50-year guarantee period, adding that anyone revisiting the site in the next 3 months will be dazzled at the project execution. Speaking on behalf of the affected communities, village head of Uyo and chairman of Fort Okwa Clan Council, Eteidong and Nedi Okun, applauded the state government for the various interventions in the area and pray God's blessings upon the governor and his administration.
I have to thank the contractor, who is a man of his words. I remember about 6 months ago when we came here, houses were already going and it was deep. Approaching, this is the government house, so you can see it was something we had to attack. He said he was going to reclaim this area, and we focused on it. I personally felt the pain of the people living here. People forget so easily. See what this place used to be and see what it is now, and show what we're trying to do. This will become a tourist center when we finish, and so we reclaim the place, we put on and then channel the water properly. It becomes a lake, and then we can have some very good tourist sites here. So that's what we're doing, and like I said, I'm excited. You can see the way we're going through. I always like to come see things for myself, see how contractors, so that before you sit and release money, not just what the ministry tells me, not just what my project team tells me, but once in a while you just come out and say, okay, let's see. And I think I'm satisfied.